3-chain type square tube filling machine, more stable and durable than ordinary. 2-chain type can make equipment more ordinary and replace manual filling. Her loader barker with both tooth rulers, suitable for various cardboard, hardwood, or wood knobs. The 9-ton veneer peeling machine is a relatively heavy-duty rotary cutting machine, suitable for rotary cutting various hardwoods. This machine is equipped with a hydraulic knife holder, which allows for quick tightening or loosening of the knife. It adopts Siemens body motors, as well as feed servo motors and quick servo motors, making the machine powerful, precise, energy-saving, efficient, stable, and flexible. Its speed is adjustable, reaching a maximum of 120 meters per minute, which can increase your demand for veneer